Welcome to the Virtual Advisor Group from the 401kman.com. Do you have insurance? It's really important in today's world. Welcome to our easy-to-use tutorial of how to get your life insurance quote at the Virtual Advisor Group website. Your first steps are to go to our page, Virtual Advisor Group, click on the life insurance link, and you'll find a picture that looks like this. You'll simply type in your name, click on the button to take you to the next page. You'll indicate your gender. It's going to ask you how healthy you are. If you're not so healthy, 75% of the applicants qualify for average or better. You can click on the second button, which now takes us to the third page, which is asking you if you're a nicotine or cannabis user. It will then take you to another page for your height and weight profile. So once you click on your height, it opens up a new window drop down. You can indicate your height, your weight. Click on the next button to the page. It's going to ask you for a birth date. And year in order to pull all the quotes from the various carriers. Once you've entered that information, you simply click on the next button, which will take you to two types of choices for your insurance. Term insurance, which will expire over time, either in a 5 or a 10 or a 15, 20 year, and sometimes even up to 30-year increments, depending on the carrier. Or you can choose a permanent insurance. Permanent insurance is typically a guaranteed universal life or another form of universal life, but it also gives you the ability to choose how much coverage. If you simply want to keep your prices low from $21 a month, we would scroll to the $10,000. But this scroll bar here at the top actually allows you to put in and choose for your quote purposes what you actually want to pay on a monthly, or how much coverage you have in case you need to cover for a mortgage or some serious bills as a business owner and want to look into key person's coverage and some other insurance. If that's the case, I highly recommend that you send us an email and we can go over the special peculiarities to your needs and probably offer you some other stuff that's not indicated here on our estimator. But for the average person looking for a good retirement income through insurance, what you would do is choose your permanent insurance and select from here. I really recommend that you make an appointment with us in order to do so, and we can walk you through all the pages of how it's done, or simply click on the buttons yourself, get a quote, click the next button after you have selected a product. So now that we've selected a product, it goes to green. We're going to click the next page. We're going to get rates from all the available carriers. Now we have over 300 choices of carriers, so this may take a minute or two depending on your internet connection. But in this particular instance, Prudential offers coverage, John Hancock, Nationwide, and you also have, after you scroll down, the ability to choose more selections, either lowering the death benefit, paying on an annual basis, which does lower the bills somewhat, and how you want to do this for a year, 5 years, 10 years. If you only want to do it for, say, 8 years, I indicated a 35-year-old, I believe, on this, and that would give us 8 years to 43. We can change all these and rerun the quote. So it's quite easy to do. You can see we actually have a variety of carriers, and different states have different carriers, so not all carriers have plan availability necessarily where you are. You'll need to reach us. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button